Renowned investor Charlie Munger famously said that getting your hands on that first $100,000 is the toughest financial hurdle. And guess what? A bunch of other rich people agree with him. Once you break that first 100K, things start to snowball. You hit the next 100,000 even quicker, and then before you know it, you're talking millions. So why is the initial phase so challenging? Let's break it down and explore strategies to accelerate your wealth accumulation. Welcome to Sage Investing, bringing you timeless investing wisdom. If you're looking to improve your investing knowledge, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this useful. Let's face it, saving up $100,000 is no joke. It's like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. You start with enthusiasm, but the higher you climb, the thinner the air gets and the steeper the slope. So why is it so tough? Well, for starters, most of us are living paycheck to paycheck. Every dollar is accounted for, and there's barely any wiggle room for savings. All right, let's talk about the biggest roadblock to getting started with investing. It's plain and simple. It's hard to begin. Investing often takes a backseat to paying the bills or having fun. We all dream about growing our money, but we tell ourselves, I'll start when I make more. Newsflash, investing isn't about having extra cash, it's about wanting more. Another factor holding people back is fear. Yeah, I know, not fun to talk about. But let's be real. Uncertainty about the market can be a real buzzkill. It's like facing any big challenge. The hardest part is taking that first step, especially when the finish line feels miles away. But here's the thing. Once you break through that $100,000 barrier, something magical happens. Compound interest is your secret weapon. It's like having a money-making machine that works overtime. The more you invest, the more you earn, and the faster your money grows. Building that first 100 grand is no joke. You gotta put in the work, there's no way around it. But once you get there, that's when the magic really happens. It's like watching a snowball grow bigger and bigger. Your money makes more money, and that money makes even more money. Imagine earning 10% on $5,000. It's cool, but it's not going to change your life. But 10% on 100 grand? That's real money. And when you hit $1 million, that return is more than a lot of people make in a year. That's the kind of growth that gets you pumped to keep investing. Watching your money grow is seriously addictive. Once you see how powerful compounding can be, you'll be hunting down ways to make it grow even faster. You'll be looking for ways to earn more, to invest more, and you'll be searching for investments that give you the biggest bang for your buck. And guess what else happens? You start thinking twice about buying that new thing you don't really need. When you see your money working hard for you, it's harder to be careless with it. Having a nice chunk of change in the bank opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With 100 grand saved up, you can start taking smart risks. Maybe you want to go for that high-paying job even though the income isn't steady, or maybe you've been dreaming of starting your own thing. The cool part is, you can invest in those big ideas without freaking out about losing everything. It's like having a safety net while you really go for it. So, how do you actually get to that first 100,000? Let's break it down. First off, make more money. Look for ways to boost your income. A side hustle, freelancing, or even renting out a spare room can really help. Next, cut back on spending. Every penny counts. Check where your money's going and find ways to trim the fat. Then, start investing as soon as possible. Even small amounts can grow into something big over time. And finally, don't be scared to take some risks. Yeah, it's scary, but a little risk is part of the game. Just make sure to spread your money around in different investments. Over time, these good money habits become second nature. You'll find yourself always looking for ways to make more cash and invest it smartly. You'll get used to the ups and downs of the market and learn to take advantage of good opportunities. Hitting that first 100,000 is huge, but it's just the start. With the right attitude and plan, you can keep that ball rolling and build a serious amount of wealth. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The journey gets easier, more fulfilling, and increasingly rewarding over time.